Hello everybody, I'm Chris Kilham, coming to you on behalf of the Ashwagandha Experience. This is a collaboration between WholeFoods magazine and KSM-66 Ashwagandha Root Extract, world's best ashwagandha. In this particular episode of Ashwagandha Experience, I'm going to take you through just a very few of the basics about this remarkable botanical. Ashwagandha root is the dried roots of Withania somnifera. And basically, when we refer to ashwagandha, we're referring to the root. Withania somnifera has been used for 3,000 to 4,000 years that we know of. The name's kind of funny. It means smells like a horse. But in the early scriptures of Ayurveda, India's natural system, Ayurveda meaning science of life, about 7,500 botanicals are known for use in one way or another, and ashwagandha is considered the king of herbs. So back to the smells like a horse part, the scriptures also say that it gives a person the strength of a horse. And it really is at the apex of all of the botanicals in Ayurveda, which happens to be the oldest well-articulated system of healthcare in the entire world. The root of ashwagandha, which is what is used and has been used traditionally, is rich in hundreds of naturally occurring phytochemicals, including a group called the withanolides. Traditionally, ashwagandha root and extracts made from it have been used as an aphrodisiac, for anti-aging purposes, to help to relieve asthma, and as an overall rejuvenator. The biological activities of ashwagandha are really well known. First and foremost, it's an adaptogen. So it basically enhances non-specific resistance to stress, resistance to all kinds of stress, physical and mental, whether you're talking, altitude, cold environment, harsh conditions, or something like, a burdensome work schedule, just too much going on in life, all of that type of stress. Ashwagandha helps you to adapt to it better and to deal with it more easily. Profoundly antioxidant. It's anxiolytic, which means that it's beneficial for mitigating mild to moderate stress. It improves relaxation and sleep, and that cycles back to the name Withania somnifera. Somnifera means tend to sleep. So Withania somnifera is legend for helping people to get a good night's sleep, even those who've had terrible trouble doing so. This is quite remarkable and one of its greatest benefits. Ashwagandha improves relaxation overall, it improves reproductive health, it balances and enhances overall cardiovascular function, and it is an immunomodulator. Now, in this particular program, the Ashwagandha Experience, we're going to take you through all of this in much greater detail. We'll also inform you about the certified organic cultivation of KSM-66 Ashwagandha's roots on their own dedicated property, how KSM-66 is the only ashwagandha deriving from a completely vertically integrated program that starts with cultivation in the field and finishes with shipping an extract out of a manufacturing facility. So there'll be much more, but I wanted to give you just a little bit of a background. This is a remarkable plant. This is a highly beneficial plant. And if I may say so, as somebody who has enjoyed the use of ashwagandha going back to 1973, I'm sort of surprised to say, this is something that makes you feel very good. And that's one of the biggest reasons that people like ashwagandha. There are so many beneficial botanicals in the world that do good things in our bodies and for our minds, but we don't necessarily feel or experience them. With ashwagandha, with a well-made extract like KSM-66 Ashwagandha Root Extract, you do have a positive experience. So I hope you'll join us for the rest of this program, and thank you very much for your time today.